How to call Flipkart customer care? Yes, you are listening right. Many times it happens with us that we have a problem with our orders and we find in numbers from internet and try to call them. Keep in mind, anyone can steal your money, anyone can do fraud with you. So keep in mind that how you can contact Flipkart. I gonna let you know. First of all, requesting you like, subscribe and hit bell icon. Now watch this video. I gonna show you what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to the Flipkart and go to the account, go to the help center, and after that what you have to do, when you click on help center, it will start showing you many orders. Choose the order from which you want to talk about, click on that, and after that it will option show you that chat with us. Click on that chat with us and it will start giving you chat options. From there you have to choose a lot of option. You can write over here call me and send this. It will keep on asking you many thing. Keep asking them that call me and call me, and after that they will show you request a call. They will show you your mobile number and you have to choose that mobile number and choose the language, and after that you will receive a call. As you can check out, it was over here, it was a call over there. You have to answer that and that's it. You can talk to them and get your solution. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you succeed in your program.